Hi,
Can
sir.
you see good?
Mocha with Rebel News. Are you guys getting a ticket for honking?
Fuck yeah, for honking.
For honking,
Fuck that guy. Sleep well. Piece of shit.
What do you make of this?
Yo, it's bullshit. This gets their fucking freedoms and rights. Yo, whether someone walked in their way or we just honked to say thank you. Absolute fucking bullshit.
And you get a ticket for that.
Yep.
Yeah. It seems like you're not the only one. There are a couple of more
There's
cars.
everybody. Yo,
Yeah.
pull more people over. Absolute tyranny. Fuck Trudeau.
Wow, that's unbelievable. Take care. What do you make of this? You just honked and now you're getting pulled over and
Yes, he can't even tell me any more than, oh, there's an injunction. You can't honk your horn. And I go, so you can't honk your horn ever? Well, yeah, there's an injunction. So that was his excuse to me.
wow.
Improper use of horn. Well away with it. Thank you.
How much is the ticket?
$89.
Wow.
No, $81.
For honking. And how much did you honk?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
That one there, I maybe honked 3 times.
Well,
Isn't this an interesting world, eh?
it is. It is. It really is.
So here.
Yeah, that's $81 right there.
Now you can't even honk your horn in Calgary. Freedom! Honk.
So we're going to keep on going. We'll work around them if we have to. We can start basing out of City Hall in here if we have to. We're going to keep this going as long as necessary. And what this is revealing for us is the corruption right here in our city. They want us to think that we shouldn't be protesting federal mandates in Calgary, that this is an Ottawa problem, but this is a Calgary problem. These mandates have come down through City Hall for the last 2 years and enforced by our police.